Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to extend C drive on Windows 10 or 11. So first you need to click the Windows key to open the Start menu, as see from here. After that you need to search for Disk Management. So just search for Disk Management and this option will appear. It says Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Click on it and it will open the Disk Management menu, as see from here. So now if you want to extend the C drive, you need to right click it and click on Extend. As see from here, you can click on Extend Volume. But as see, because I don't have any unallocated partition or unallocated storage, so I can't just extend my C drive. So as see from here, so if I just click on Format and deleted this drive, the D drive, I can just give it to the C drive as an extend. So if you have the unallocated storage and you clicked on extend, this menu will appear. It is the wizard for the extend volume. So you can just hit next and follow the prompts to extend your C drive. After that, the unallocated storage will be added to the C drive. So if you have 500 gigabytes free unallocated storage, you can just add it to the C drive in that way. So don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.